Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video I am doing a clean with me. We are cleaning my bathroom as well as organizing everything in it. It is a complete wreck. There are dirty clothes strewn everywhere. Jack's little potty is just randomly placed in there, and so we are going to get this bathroom picked up, cleaned, and organized. So let's get started.
Dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread, but I don't need to tell you. Hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that.
So I just want to thank my subscribers for watching my videos, and if you are new, please hit that subscribe button. It helps my channel out so much. I am really trying hard to grow my channel and to reach that first 100 subscribers, so please go ahead and hit that button now. So now I am just going through what's in the drawers after I had wiped them out previously, as you saw a few seconds ago, and now I'm just kind of seeing where I want to store everything and throwing away any trash or things that are broken that I might come across, and we will see how I store this in a little bit.
Give me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder, eh? Don't you look at me like that.
This is just a scrubbing bubbles bathroom cleaner that I am using on the sinks, and I use it also on the commode and the outer parts of the bathtub.
Cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault.
So I think this clip is pretty cool of me cleaning the mirror. It just kind of looked neat. You can see like the streaks of the cleaner as I was going over it. And I am actually also using Methods, the glass cleaner, and then on the wood cabinets I'm using the wood cleaner, and the wood cleaner actually smells really good. It is scent almond, I believe, but it is really a good smelling cleaner.
I don't need no one to say you're complicated, cause I knew from the start this might be overrated. It's so typical, you wanna give it one more try, even though if your mind is telling.
So this side is my husband's side of the sink, and so underneath it I'm not getting rid of anything. I'm just either cleaning it or organizing it, and I'm not really even organizing it differently. I'm just putting everything basically back into these little storage containers that were already underneath there, so that I don't misplace something or he can't find a certain item.
I don't believe you, no. 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 One thing I love about you is your dedication. It got me dreaming at the station. On my way home, oh, I might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no, no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me.
Our lighting is so dark above the commode, so like in this area we only have one light and it's so dark over here.
Baby, yeah, yeah. Occasionally I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This part, so cold life. This part, so cold life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the.
I always struggle with what to put on my bathroom sink because I don't want to have it too cluttered. I know I do like having a candle in there and I don't know, maybe some greenery like that, but also we usually have 2 soap dispensers. But what else could I put in here or take away? Like, what do you keep on your countertops in the bathroom? I just want to thank y'all so much for watching my videos, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, please subscribe. It will help me out so much. I'm trying to reach my first 100 subscribers and give a giveaway. I would love to give back to all of y'all, and it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification button. You'll be notified on when I upload new videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!